Fender time. Surprise, surprise. Looking good. Looking good. No dents. Let's get it on. So guys, One Key Car Garage back at you. We did a test fit of the Fender, the new Fender. The only thing I was waiting on was the Fender bolts, and they arrived, and these are 10 mils. So it should be a simple plug and play as far as getting those screws in, get the fitment right. In the interim, we went ahead and replaced some fuses because the high beam was not working. So under the driver kick well is a fuse box which contain a tail light. I believe it's a 10 amp fuse that controls your marker lights. Those were not working as well, so replaced that blown fuse with a new one. The marker lights on both sides started working. The high beam was not working as well. Went ahead, there's a fuse missing out of that box over there. Went ahead, replaced that, and now we are good. All lights are working, including the fog lamps. So now we can go ahead and button this back up. These headlights are pretty expensive, so I might try to see if I can source one from a yard or something for a lot cheaper. But in the meantime, I had to improvise with some zip ties here. So we're gonna go ahead, button this up, and we should be on the way. All right, guys, One Key out, stand by. And just like that, guys, the Fender is on. I believe we can wrap this part of the project up. The previous owner did something crazy here. They had a screw on the outside. Went ahead and fixed that. I'm going to have to plug that at some point. And they also did the same thing on the other side. But for the most part, from here it's just taking care of the small cosmetic items such as that, and this is the other screw that they had right there. Removed it, replaced it with factory the way it's supposed to be done on the inside, hidden. All right, so the gaps are looking not that bad, pretty good. So from here is going to be detailing, cosmetics, and your general maintenance, and we should be good to go, guys. Let's start with the fender on. There might be a few adjustments that still need to be done, which I'll eventually tighten that up, but that's the transformation, guys. All right, One Key out.